business is or entrepreneurship is there because it's accessible to everyone.
Everyone can start.
To stay.
Yeah,
But to stay,
Kasi
parang
depende. Everyone can start, pero hindi alam kung kailan tatagal.
not everyone is born to be an entrepreneur. Sa akin yan. But it's not a bad thing. Kumusta mga kakwentuhan? Ako si Ana at ito ang Kwentong Lahat na Lang. So as you can see, may bago po akong kasama. Wala na naman dito si Dato Kim because let's pray for him. Let's pray for him. And then may lagnat po kasi siya. So Hakim, I miss you. Yes. So may sub muna kayo.
Unfortunately.
May sub muna kayo. So, the past few podcasts, parang medyo tayo naging, what do you call that? Naging seryoso. Like, last podcast, pinag-usapan natin ang divorce. Tapos ngayon, we wanted to make it lighter. So, I brought my two friends who are actually a mga business owner, mga CEO, mga entrepreneurs. So, we want to learn a lot from them. Kasi, they are like one of the two persons that I really look up to. Without any further ado, let me introduce Paula. So, before you introduce yourself, walang formal introduction dahil tayo po ay nagpo-podcast, hindi ito interview. So, tell us about yourself, ano yung ginagawa mo, and what's your relationship status with your business?
So, I'm Paula Ali.
Yes.
I actually married na. Like, married to the business and married talaga.
Oh,
So, I started doing business when I was 19.
Wow.
And I do e-commerce before.
Wow.
And until now, that's still my forte. And I'm helping with our family business, like my husband's business also. So, yun.
Wow. So, ano yung
Married to
relation?
the business.
Yeah. So, you are married,
Thriving.
thriving. Ikaw naman, madam.
Hello. Assalamualaikum.
Wow.
I'm Zara Zanjani. Not formal introduction.
English to, pare.
Ay, sorry.
Partner.
My relationship with my business. Para siyang troubled child that you have no other option but to love and watch grow. So, for me, okay naman. I mean, it's not an it's not a easy ride. I don't have children. I'm not married, but I would say na it's like wanting the best for your child or your so yeah, it's exciting.
The best mom.
Thanks so
Actually,
much.
if that's being a mother, then I can really say that you're a super mom.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah. Kasi she has her own business, which is the Kubo Modular. What's Kubo?
So formal na ba?
Oo. What's Kubo?
Okay, so Kubo Modular is a manufacturer of modular housing, which uses conventional materials as well as sustainable materials like engineered bamboo. So we can deliver a fully functioning home in 6 days.
Wow.
But of course with the lead time na 1 to 3 months. So hopefully we can expand more in the Philippines and possibly other regions also.
Tapos, how old are you when you,
First started it.
oo.
I opened our first factory when I was 24 years old.
Factory.
It was 100% at the time 100% customer funded. So we used deposits from our customers, and then we were able to employ like 6 skilled carpenters, tapos rent, a small space na as in nag-ano na kami, naggit-gitan na kami.
Tapos,
shoulder to shoulder.
customer-based yung
Customer funding
Oh,
talaga.
this is new.
And then to the point that we had to move out and then expand to somewhere like 4 times the size and grow also our skilled workers.
Ang galing. Customer, what do you call that? Customer funded.
Before.
Ang term sa atin yan, sa e-commerce. Do you know the term for that? Pre-order.
Pre-order. Parang gano'n. That's pre-order, I think.
That's pre-order. Pre-order sa app.
Actually,
Mm-mm. And then your business is about
Before, when I was 19, we opened e-commerce. Pero about siya sa food supplements. Mostly reseller lang kami. Pero ngayon, few years ago, we started surgical instruments business.
wow.
So, technically, that's my husband's factory abroad. Pero like, kami na yung nag-expand dito.
Dito
So,
sa Philippines.
So, since 3 years ago, I opened online online shop.
E-commerce.
Tapos ako yung nag-manage nun. And then, from there, ayun, growing siya ngayon and we supply na sa mga private hospitals.
E-commerce, halos lahat ng platforms nandun
Yeah.
kayo, di ba? Like sa yung
Pwede ko
mga...
sabihin.
Oo naman, siguro. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-sponsor,
Shopee, Lazada, TikTok,
yes,
yan.
oo,
Galing,
ganun.
yeah.
Oo.
Magaling. Because you don't usually see those kinds of tools or equipment on those
Mm-mm.
platforms. Akala mo pang
Exactly.
makeup lang
Oo,
or
oo.
damit.
Yeah, pero meron dun pang cesarean section. CS,
Ayan.
pang ano,
And that's
pang
because of
rhinoplasty,
you.
yeah.
Oh, that's because of you. Parang ikaw yung pioneering na
Galing,
nag-aano
galing.
niyan dito sa Philippines na nilagay yung mga surgical instruments, ay surgical
Wala lang, try
ano
lang
sa...
natin, yan.
And I
And
I believe may
nag-work.
live selling rin, di ba?
Oh, meron na ba?
Meron, pero hindi siya for instruments, I think. So,
Yung live selling.
well, effective naman yung marketing namin sa online shops. Kasi nakikita ng mga doctors, especially doctors from outside Manila.
Bago sa kanila yun. Kasi,
nakikita
oo.
nila, uy, Sir Jack, sikat to sa ano sikat to sa
Mm-mm.
Facebook, sikat to sa Shopee. Ganon.
Tapos nakikita mo siya
Tapos
sa
they have
ano.
easy access to the surgical instruments na quality. Hindi siya like made in Inochikipay, ganon.
Ganon.
Quality talaga.
Siyempre galing yan sa factory nila. Oh.
Saan?
Saan? Kasi
So, it's
doon
from
talaga yun,
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Kasi doon talaga yung mga ano, 'di ba? Yung mga quality na mga when it comes to parang mga surgical instrument ang
Instruments,
tawag.
yeah.
Oo. Surgical
Mga
instrument kasama
stainless, German stainless. Yeah.
example like
Surgical scissors, the one they're using sa medical schools, like yung mga practice suture kit.
pati sa
Yan.
dent.
Yes,
oh, yun.
dental din pala,
Oh,
dental.
so sa mga dentist po
Yun.
namin diyan na ano,
mostly
andito na yung main supplier.
mostly mga ano,
Get it
mga
direct.
mostly mga reusable instruments. Kasi
Mm.
most of the disposable instruments, ibang country naman, it's from China.
Oo.
Pero yung mga reusable, like mga scissors, galing siya sa
Pakistan.
Yung
Kasi yun
mga
talaga.
okay na brand. Yes.
Ang galing. I learned something new. So, right now, kasi sa generation natin ngayon, but we are all young. Young po kami. Kasi, yung mga ano kasi namin, guys, yung etong mga ano namin, mga audience namin, ang babata. Oo, so
Super
parang
young.
nakakaya magsabi na we are young. Pero sa
Super
generation
young.
natin ngayon, like, have you seen parang difference na sa tingin nila sa business right now? Kasi, aminin natin nung bata tayo, iba yung tingin natin sa parang mga business owner, di ba? Like corporate talaga. I don't know sa inyo, pero sa akin, tingin ko corporate, gagawa ng company kapag marinig na may business, parang diretso malaki na. Pero right now, there's another phase of business. Like, as long as meron ka ng camera, and then meron kang, you are just in your bed or something like that, CEO ka na. Oh, pwede na. So, what
to go on live,
Oo.
live selling.
live selling, oh. So,
Sell a product.
sell up. Ano yung parang ano nyo dyan? Take nyo dyan?
Tinuro ko na siya. What's your take on this, girl?
Parang ano?
Host ka, girl.
What's your take on this, Zara? Take it away.
Partner, anong take mo dyan?
Sa gitna.
Kasi wala talaga kaming script, guys. As
Yeah,
always.
I feel like, syempre, business or entrepreneurship is there because it's accessible to everyone.
Mm-mm.
So, business is not supposed to be confined to specific like age range or
Mm-mm.
parang kakayan. I mean, like your status in life.
Mm-mm.
I don't think it should be specific to where you are or you have to be someone before you start a business. I think that's the beauty of entrepreneurship in general. But I get your point na parang yung I saw on the internet recently, parang everybody is a CEO.
Yeah.
So actually me, I don't like using the word I'm the CEO.
Parang
of ganyan.
medyo
Same.
nakaka-ano na yung word na
As in,
CEO.
Kanina nga, tinatawagan ako ng one of my managers na, you're the CEO. Dapat ginaganyan. Sabi ko, sino ba yun? I'm just me.
Parang
Yeah.
the word CEO is parang nag-iba yung branding niya sa
Yeah.
atin dito hindi lang siguro sa Pilipinas, no? Feel ko pati sa mga ibang bansa kasi everyone is parang into business na. Everyone parang ayaw na nila ng 9 to 5 business kasi meron na tayong I am my own boss culture.
Yeah.
Napansin niyo 'yon sa mga generation natin at younger
Yeah.
na parang everyone, ayaw na nilang magkaroon ng boss.
There's
Para,
freedom.
may freedom. Tapos, everybody, parang gusto na nilang iwan yung cycle na 9 to
Pero
5.
fake news yung freedom, Kasi
Oh.
when you start your
No!
business,
It's not 9 to 5.
It's not
24/7.
24/7. Kulang.
Yeah,
Kulang
yeah.
yung 24/7.
So,
Especially may ano. Oo.
sometimes
Sunday,
gets kita,
diba?
parang
Mm-mm.
parang it's put on a pedestal na if you have your own business, you have your own time and all. Pero people tend to forget the ugly parts. And businesses that survive actually, they stick through the ugly times and the boring days. Yun yung mga
Exactly.
naglalast na business. Hindi yung para lang mag-post. Or
Oo.
like, para lang magsabi na, I'm the CEO of
Oo.
what
Oo.
product. What product are you selling or what impact are you making? Like, so feel ko lang naman. Pero
Something that's
it should be for everyone, I believe. But as long as you're making the right kind of impact, you're doing it, the right way, then I think it's fine.
Well, sa akin naman, okay naman siya kasi everyone is just trying to survive. Pero, for me kasi, when I started early, parang, naging thankful din ako sa corporate job ko before 8 to 5. Kasi it taught me a lot, like discipline, working schedules, Then, ayun, matututunan din nila kasi makisalamuha sa mga workmates, ano ugali ng boss, ano ugali ng mga workmates. So, yun yung nadala ko when I was starting the business na. So, parang for me, okay pa din yung may background sa corporate din.
Totoo. For me
Before,
also.
Jumping into business kasi mahirap siya.
Iba rin kasi yung parang nade-develop na what you call discipline kapag meron kang kasi yung sinasabi na I am your own boss, kapag ikaw yung boss, ang dami mong boss. Seryoso, kapag pati customer mo nga boss mo 'di ba? So it's not really something na you are your own boss.
So, kailangan mo ma-experience sa baba, pataas. For me, that's very important.
Totoo.
Yun.
Siguro there's also a reason kasi masyado na siyang iba yung tingin ngayon sa social media kasi laging pinopost na, oh, let's pack with me, 1,000 orders, ganon.
Sana all.
Oh,
Yeah.
ganon. Sold out, ganon. Pero hindi pinapakita yung
The ugly days.
packing my 560 pieces unsold products. Hindi yun pinapakita. So,
Yeah,
parang sa kanila, as long as mag-open ka nito, sikat yan. Ano yan? Easy money. So, papasok ka na lang dyan, mag-aano ka na, and then, kumita siya ng 1 million pesos. O, ilan ba yung profit niya doon sa 1 million na yun? Paano kung ang capital pala sa 1 million na yun is 980,000?
Hindi rin masyado ako naniniwala sa social media when it comes to
Pero,
business. Kasi sobrang ang dami. Yes, you can say you're a CEO of this and that. Pero ang daming struggles inside of it. Like,
sobra.
hindi siya madali. Pero like, pinapakita nila sa social media.
Na pera talaga siya. Pero, according to the study, ang mga businesses, usually ang nagta-thrive lang out of 100% is parang, correct me if I'm wrong pero parang nasa 70 or 80% nagda-down.
Like mga 30%.
Mga 30% yung nagsa-survive. Tama, no? Kasi mostly, napansin nyo, mag-o-open ng bagong restaurant. Let's say. So, everyone, congratulations! Ganon. Tapos, after 2 years, magka-close na yung restaurant. Kasi, normally, when you open a business, sa 2 years, 3 years, usually, parang dyan yung pinaka.
Doon mo makikita if magsusurvive ba talaga.
Magsusurvive ka or hindi.
5-year mark nga yung tawag nila usually.
5 years?
5 years. Like lifespan.
Wait, ilang years na ba? Survive naman natin yun. Alhamdulillah. In fairness, na-survive naman natin yung 5 years, di ba? So, ayun. Parang medyo tumama sa akin yun na part. So, right now, na parang nasa, ilang years na yung sayo?
6 years.
Wow, 6. Kaka-survive mo na.
Hindi ko
Ako
sure.
Hindi
ko sure.
Nasa 3 years yung brand namin. Pero yung pinaka-business nila, 15 years.
15 years na, no?
Yeah.
Pero ikaw kasi pina-expand mo in all
Ayun
fairness
lang.
to our
Oo,
friend,
correct.
dinala niya sa e-commerce kasi. So, ano
May
yung
ibang channel.
Oo, may ibang ano yung parang naging effect ng e-commerce sa business ninyo? Kasi for more than 10 years, they are not in e-commerce. Tapos ikaw dumating itong in-law. Ipasok natin yan sa Shopee. Ganon. Ano yung naging effect na nakita mo?
Malaki yung effect niya kasi, the doctors aren't in Manila. I mean, they're spread all over the Philippines. So, parang, when you put an item in e-commerce, it's very easy access to them. Like, those items na, for example, ano ba yung mga, for example, cesarean section sets. So, parang, wala nun sa province. Nung pinost ko siya sa online platforms. So, nakita yung mga doctors na, uy, may mas mura pa palang supplier sa Philippines. Hindi lang pala lahat galing bambansa. So, parang yun. Tapos, nakilala na nila kami, like, may mga clients kami sa provinces without us going there physically. So, parang, nakakuha kami ng mga clients all over the Philippines without us spending a lot of money to travel there.
Exactly.
Kasi ang bibigat
Mas
ng
accessible.
instruments.
Oo.
Like, isipin mo, bakal yan. Bakal,
Mm-mm.
it's ilang kilo yan, di ba? So, parang, yun.
Okay.
Yun yung impact ng e-commerce.
Oo,
for us.
no?
Parang
Parang,
yun sa Seb Backlog.
Oo.
Yeah, DHL.
oo, DHL. Tama, tama.
So, parang, ayun.
Tapos,
So, even until now, may mga doctor, hindi pa kami nakapunta sa sa province physically. So, even until now, may mga doctors kami na, ayan, nagpi-pre-order na sa amin kahit na hindi pa nila kami nakikita personally. So,
May
parang
trust, may
na
na ano
sila,
na.
may na-build ng name.
Kaya may
ganun.
mga doktor dyan.
mga doctors dyan, ha? Message lang kayo sa
Mayroong code.
May
Ang
third
kwentong
party.
lahat.
Sir Jack's brand po.
May code.
may voucher
Pero
code
walang
kayo.
discount.
Kwentong lahat na lang. Oo. KLNL.
Yun. So, malaki talaga yung impact ng e-commerce for us.
ang rapid ng ano nila, ang rapid ng parang expansion
Expansion.
nila. Kasi naalala ko pa parang 2 years ago.
Yes, magkakasama tayo.
Magkakasama tayo. Kasi guys, parang,
Ate, sabi ko, ate, paano mag-open ng Shopify?
Oo,
Sabi ko kay
ganyan.
Zara, paano mag-apply ng
Maya, yung may ting, mga ganun.
Shopify
oo.
also.
Shopify.
Shopify also, nagturo ako.
Tapos,
Remember that night, parang sa bahay nila.
oo.
Ayaw niyo
Parang,
umuwi.
oo. 8 p.m. na tayo nag-start ng dinner kasi kakawilan niyo from from
Oo,
office
yes,
niya, diba?
yes,
So,
oo.
parang, doon tayo nag-start. Parang natapos tayo until 12.
12
tayo
na.
about business.
Oo.
Like this kind of group na you learn a lot.
Totoo. Yun din yung, yun yung in fairness for me, kaya, alam mo ba, para for me, medyo nag-last.
Di ka sure.
Hindi ko sure. Parang, I'm really thankful na in my, here in Manila, nakilala ko kayo kasi kayo yung parang, hindi kasi
Artista talaga. Artista talaga.
Kayo ito sa Precious Lara Kigawan. Tawad ko sa'yo. Yung yung parang, sa sa batch ko kasi, especially for me as Amranaw, andun pa rin kasi yung, although slowly, pero andun pa rin kasi yung image na kailangan mo maging doctor, kailangan mo maging lawyer para you can say na you are successful. Parang yun pa rin yung sa amin. Yun pa rin yung race sa tribe namin. Although, I acknowledge that it's already changing. Tapos, yung mga kaedad ko, parang hindi lahat yan.
Yeah.
Nagbi-business, ganun. So, sobrang nakaka-happy lang na I have friends that are on my age range. Age
I have a
range?
question.
Ano po yun?
Kasi ako naman nagtatanong sa'yo.
Co-host.
Even yun yung environment mo.
Oo.
Parang you're like one in a, I don't know, 1,000 or million, diba?
Mga 1 in 10.
Di naman. So parang it's interesting na hearing also your background. Tapos sasabihin mo na one day you're like, yeah, I'm gonna go into this, not become a lawyer or a
oo.
doctor. And
Iniwan ko pagiging
This-
lawyer.
Oh,
Oo.
jeez.
Mm-mm.
That's very interesting na what made you decide or feel na, ay, kaya ko to.
Okay. So, for me, na sinabi ko na magsistick na ako sa business is, yun yung parang, it's something na I am obsessed. obsessed ako sa idea of the grind. Obsessed ako sa idea na I really hate problem, but aminin nyo, hinahanap nyo kapag walang problem.
Yes.
'Di ba? Parang
Masyado
Toxic
namang chill tong buhay na to.
Oo,
Makahanap ka ng problema.
Mag-expand tayo.
May term doon, firefighter.
Okay. Firefighter pala yung term. Parang, tapos kasi,
Troublemaker.
Ikaw lang.
kasi, yung sa pagiging lawyer, I really want to be a lawyer when I was young. Tapos ngayon kasi parang medyo naiiba na yung tingin ko. I still want to be, pero siguro, not that much. Kasi I know na yung tinatry ko na abutin, hindi ko maaabot kung not just money, of course.
Yes.
Kasi sa pagiging lawyer naman talaga, for me, hindi ka siguro parang yayaman ng sobra. Especially depende. Kung hindi ka gagawa ng, Hoy, I love my lawyer friends. I love them. I know a lot of lawyers na loyal. Hindi, pero yun. Pero parang ina-achieve mo na na $100 million. Charot. Joke lang.
Yeah, totoo. Kasi when you have the freedom nasa business, parang ang hirap bumalik sa corporate.
Ang hirap, totoo. Mahirap siya.
Pero there's parang, I find it very noble. When someone is really contented, climbing up the corporate ladder. Like, I have some friends.
Yeah.
Syempre,
I also have some friends.
Like, my course is management economics. So, most of my batchmates actually, if not all, went to banks or mga FMCG, mga brands. I don't know. Pero, siguro that's and they're doing very, very well. And I'm really happy for them na parang,
Kagalang-galang.
oh my God, imagine mo kung siguro nag-corporate ako, baka ma-memo ako ng todo.
Laging late.
Yeah, 1 minute late.
Laging late.
Isaw ng problema ng iba. Like, hindi mo yung problema. Gusto mo ayusin, bakit?
Totoo.
Micromanagement yan.
Oo. Meron talagang parang, ayun pala yung question ko. Para ba sa inyo, everyone can be a business, can be an entrepreneur?
Of course. For me, it's a yes.
Yes, sa'yo. For you.
Pwede naman, yes. Pero, we don't know kung kailan sila maglalast. Depende kasi sa
Pain
discipline.
tolerance talaga.
Sa discipline mo din.
Oo.
So, parang kailangan mag-allot. Sige, you have the freedom of time, but you need also to allot yung oras na mag-work ka talaga.
Na kahit na wala kang
Mag-grow
tulog.
na pag may this oras ng gabi, like 12 a.m. may biglang nangyari sa business. Gising ka. So, parang everyone can start, yes. Pero,
Everyone, definitely. Everyone can start.
But to stay.
Yeah,
But to stay.
Well, for me naman kasi, meron akong mga kilala na nag-try sila nag-corporate sila and then entrepreneurship and then bumalik sa corporate.
Oo, meron. Meron din ganyan talaga.
Kasi depende. Everyone can start, pero hindi alam kung kailan tatagal.
At saka, for me, kung hindi ka for me not everyone is born to be an entrepreneur. Sa akin yan. But it's not something na, it's not a bad thing. Definitely. Kung hindi ka pinanganak bilang entrepreneur, for me, that's not a bad thing. Kasi, sino ba naman nagsabi ng pagiging entrepreneur at pagiging businessman is a good thing all the time? Kasi, iba pa rin talaga yung feeling na secure ka, na you are in the corporate, alam mo na may darating sa'yo na sweldo.
Nag-start ako ng business. Mali pala yung 19. Nag-start ako 20 ata. Fake news.
Hindi ka ba naman nakapag-business na nung grade 6 ka?
Talaga siyang mabuti. Kasi 1 year nga ako sa corporate. Almost 1 year, 11 months.
Nag-corporate ka.
Nag-corporate ako 11 months. Hindi ko na 12 months sa nag-corporate ako ng 11 months.
Hindi na rin yun.
Tapos, while I was rendering actually, when I was on the process of resigning na, iniisip ko, dati, tama ba to? Tapos nagtatanong pa ako sa friend na entrepreneur na din that time na hindi na siya nag-corporate after graduation. Nagtatanong ako tinatanong ko din sa sarili, tama ba to? Kasi, ang bata ko pa, ang dami ko pang potential sa corporate world. Kaya ko pang mag-climb ng corporate ladder.
Exactly.
Tapos, kung bibitawan ko to, ano yung mapapakita ko na, for example, hindi na-work ng business na to, ano yung mapapakita ko na resume after that? Kung bumalik man ako sa corporate. So, parang, ano experience ko? Yun yung one of the risk na iniisip ko that time. And okay naman na ngayon. Thank you, Lord. So,
When like we're hiring, parang it's also interesting. There are some positions that are good when you see on the resume that they were an entrepreneur or that they started their own business. Some positions
yeah,
some
pero
positions
parang,
naman, for others naman, red flag.
Yeah, red
Kasi
flag.
parang, are you loyal to the
company.
company? Again, it depends on the position and the company. So,
Okay.
I think hindi naman siya all the time red flag.
Yeah.
Pero, I don't think you're gonna go there anymore.
Oy, I can't imagine you.
Disney princess.
Oo. Ako rin.
Alam mo, lahat tayo sa
Lahat tayo,
from day
oo.
one that we just want to be
A Disney
princesses doing sit pretty all day. Pero
aminin
hindi
natin.
talaga. We know in our hearts.
Lagi nating sinasabi na
Shout
gusto.
out to my husband.
Wala akong masya-shoutoutan. Ikaw, meron.
Shout out tayo to each other.
Shoutout to Zawa.
He makes my
Ipa-retire mo na ako, Zawa.
Ganon.
Ampunin mo na lang ako. Pwede ba magpaampon na
Ano
lang?
daw, shout out daw sa mga single dyan. Wala to, tika na. Pero yung patabi ko. Ay, yung katapat.
Shout out. Disney, kung
Partner.
nangangailangan mo ng Disney princess. Pero hindi, aminin natin. Kasi, I can say na you're one of the parang strong women and independent women that I know. Tapos, lahat tayo gusto natin maging sitting pretty and
Yes.
parang Disney princess. But we know deep
Hindi
down
talaga.
in our hearts, hindi natin kaya na wala
Tayo pala
tayong
si Prince
ginagawa.
Charming.
Seryoso, tayo palang
Totoo.
Prince Charming. Pero at least siya, meron siyang Prince Charming.
Yan. One
So,
Nag-bumble kasi kayo. Ay, joke lang. Cut nyo yun. Sinerta lang. Sinerta
Ay,
lang.
halal version mo.
Uy, may halal version. Alam mo, may halal version
Bigla
na.
natatarget ako,
Hindi pala yung naka-press release sa family ko, guys. Ang sinabi ko lang pala, Instagram ko na kilala. Hindi pala.
Pero in all fairness, change topic. May nakukuha palang batid sa Bumble.
Well, sa Pinagal.
Pero diba,
Nakita mo yung struggles ko.
tapos, eto pa ang malala. Di ba nag-ano pa siya? Can I share this?
Sige, ano yun?
Yung parang nagsinungaling pa in a good way. Yung ano niya, yung partner niya ngayon.
Nung nag-meet kami ng husband ko na ngayon,
Oo.
namin, ang sabi niya, same age kami, like 25, 26 ata
25.
kami nag-meet parang.
Oo.
Ganyan.
Oo.
Tapos, sabi ko, okay, perfect. Tapos nakita ko siya, matangkad siya, 6'3", yan.
O matangkad yung asawa niya.
Tall, dark, and handsome.
May sarili po siyang Zayn Malik.
Oo, yun. Tapos,
Yes.
tapos, nung nakita ko na yung mga papeles niya. Mas bata siya sa akin ng 2 years.
In a good way, di ba? So, he really likes you. Kasi pero oo, parang ikaw yung isa sa parang mga nakilala ko na, alhamdulillah, ikaw yung isa sa mga nakilala ko na,
Maglagay ng evil eye.
alam mo mabarik na, meron palang gano'n na alam mo mabarik, meron palang nagsasucceed
I didn't know. I did.
to deserve
What
that.
I did to did. What did I did?
What you did to did.
Yes, to deserve
Oo.
this.
Ganito
Oo.
kami all the time.
O, ganito kami all the time, guys. Oo. So, ayun. So, may halal version na. Ano na, Zawa? Ay, hindi. Single
Sold na
to
lang.
eh. Ay, hindi. Ano na to? Sold na to.
Kahit na lang kayo.
Sold na to. Oo.
Talaga, yung Marcus.
Oh, Marcus sold. Ay, yung pogi, Ito yung pogi.
Okay, next topic.
Nakaka-pressure. So, kung magkakaroon po ako ng partner, ang sinasabi ko po is, ang gwapo po ng
Shoutout na lang po sa mga
ang
single
gwapo po
dyan.
ng mga
Gusto ko po
partner
sana
nila.
yung medyo may pagka-affam. Parang kay ate.
Bawal sa amin. Yan din, di ba?
Pwede naman Maranaw na mix.
O, di ba, Maranaw na,
Meron naman existing.
Pero nang existing.
Pero extinct.
tama na. May extinct, oo. Uy na, nasa sidetrack na tayo.
Sorry.
Okay, so ano na lang, let's, expectation versus reality, ha? Let's destroy some business myths. Yes. I'll say something, tapos tell me if it is a myth or if you agree or disagree. Okay. Kapag malaki ang sales, successful ang business.
One word lang ba? Or
Hindi, you
Explanation.
explain. Haba ng oras natin.
it's a good indicator, pero what if your expenses are also high, diba? So,
Thinking about
yeah. Well, what I always read about is cash flow is king. So, yun. At least in the startup sense, na cash flow is king.
Cash flow is king talaga.
When you have a lot of sales, marami ka ding expenses.
Totoo. That's really true.
And hindi natatapos yung expenses na yan as you grow.
Totoo.
Ang dami expenses.
Yeah, that's
Pero, like she said, magandang indicator yun. Okay yung business.
Mm-mm.
People want your product.
People want your product. Oh, another example is when I do pop-up. 'Di ba? So, may pop-up usually is parang
Lakas.
hindi, parang kunwari
Lakas.
3 days, ganon. Tapos, sa 1 day, let's say, naka 1 million. Tapos, pag marinig yan ng iba, wow! 1 day! 1 million! Parang ganon yung parang, so, hindi nila, alhamdulillah for that, pero hindi nila alam na, ay, magkano ba yung capital ng Prad? By the way, guys, we're all wearing parka, and that's from Tudong People, my brand. Ito na po yung Ito na po yung pinaka-casual na outfit ko sa dito.
Sobrang soft.
Track pants. It's a modest brand. Pinapakita po namin na ang mga modest girls can still be active.
Yes.
Galing mag-segue.
I really like it. It's the best.
It's the
I will
best.
wear it.
Perfect
Oo.
for rainy season.
Yeah, for a rainy season. Pero, di ba, nag-plug siya nang dahil dyan, charot. So, yun. So, parang hindi nila naalam na, kunwari, let's say, 1 million. Eh, magkano ba yung capital niyan? Magkano yung pinangbayad mo sa
True.
mga tao mo, sa marketing, sa mga inano mo. So, sure ba kayo? Ilan yung natitira sa akin dyan? Di ba? So, parang, for me, the answer is, I disagree also. It really, cash flow is king.
Tsaka malaki din tax pag gano'n.
Malaki din ang tax pag, oh my gosh.
Siyempre, meron tayong mga duties.
Oo,
Yes.
yeah. Guys, pay your taxes. Para hindi kayo magka-problem. Okay, let's talk about inspiration sa pagpasok ng business. Because, siya family din. Ako, sa father side ko, really, it's family. Kasi rice mill po kasi yung business talaga sa side ng family ko, sa father side. Sa mother side, wala pong nagbi-business. But they are but they are all mga and then nag-stick kasi sila sa pagiging lawyer, karamihan
Wow.
lawyer. Sa father side ko nakuha yung pagbi-business. Yeah. So let's talk about parang inspirations. Nag-start siya sa business nila. Ikaw, you are a part then of maliit family business na matagal na rin po. Guys, if you know Floor Center, kung saan po kayo bumibili ng mga tiles and tile depot, eto po.
Pasok lang kayo doon. Pabili tiles,
Sabihin
dalawang
niya-
piyaso.
Tapos use code KLNL.
So, shout out po sa Floor Center.
Sa Floor Center po
And
at
for
Tile
Tita
Depot and Tita Becca. So let's talk about inspiration.
Nice.
Paano kayo na-inspire mag-business? Do you have inspiration or like
Sige, I'll make it very quick sa akin na.
Huwag mo
Alam
nang
ko madami.
wag mo nag
Ganon, very quick.
wag na quick, hindi tayo nagbabadali.
Inspiration, well, my dad pushed me. So, Daddy, thank you for pushing my finances.
Financer.
That time. To start. And
So,
I
si
learned
papa
a
mo
lot
talaga.
Sa e-commerce. Si
Mm-mm.
Daddy talaga. Tapos, yun, I crossed paths with these beautiful girls.
Wow.
And then, she introduced me to BPW business.
Me too.
And professional women in the Philippines. So, I met a lot of women who are in business. So, yan, Floor Center. Barbie sila,
Barbie po is sa lahat po ng mga SM stores, lahat po ng nagsusupply ng Barbie products and ano yung uso? Hot Wheels sila po. BYD, mga ganon.
Security something.
So guys, if you wanna be part of
Basta-
BPW, meron
if
pong
you wanna
youth
be part of
sector.
it, yeah, we're still open. And
We're
you
still
meet
open.
a lot of inspirational women.
Oo. Ano pala to? Open-minded ka ba?
And
In a good way.
wait, hindi kami lang sa business. Like, we do
Mm-mm.
also
Professional. So,
medical mission, 'di ba? Last
Oo.
time.
Yes,
Gave
sa
back to the
iligan.
people in
Oo.
Iligan, in
Oo.
Mindanao. So,
Mm.
ayun.
sponsored by Sir Jex.
Yes, sponsor
Sir Jack,
niya.
instruments, may mga
Queen of
certification doon.
Pakistan. Yes.
Ayun yung mga inspiration. And you?
So
That's
I'll
true.
connect muna to BPW na parang I think it's important to surround yourself with people who are going through similar things. Siyempre, everyone is
Yeah.
doing their own thing, maybe family, health, or business
Mm-mm.
concerns.
Mm-mm.
But the fact that we're all going through it together is parang it's kind of like finding your support system. So as Pao mentioned, it's the support system that's really important. So
Yeah.
socially, but also syempre important yung family rin, right? So
Mhm.
as you guys very much enthusiastically mentioned, so
Mm-mm.
my family business is FC Floor Center and FC Tile Depot. So we have been in the industry since 1997.
Wow.
Nako.
1997.
1997.
Wow.
Pero before that, my parents were already first generation entrepreneurs. So
Wow.
seeing it firsthand, technically I'm already second generation ng family business or in our family. But to see them firsthand, iba kasi ang legacy when it comes to family business.
Totoo.
When you talk about, I'm in a family business, pero you're second gen. It's a different experience compared to, I'm in a family business, pero I'm the 10th gen or the 6th gen, di ba? So it's a very different situation now when you really see the hustle from parang,
your-
from driving
From
from your, I don't know, your sibling driving a really old car to biglang sports car na pala yung
Totoo.
kaya niyang i-afford many, many, many years
Yes.
later. So, I think it's a different experience. And definitely that has inspired me, not just from my parents who really are first gen entrepreneurs, but even my siblings. So, since I'm the youngest, I learned a lot from my siblings. So, and everyone has their own specialty. Like, mayroon more on the management, mayroon more on the marketing, like my sister, more on the operations, like my other brother. So, everyone has their own specialty. And parang, it's really important that you observe. So, yung medyo nagselos ako before, like with my classmates. Kasi yung mga parents nila younger, di ba? So, my parents are a little bit older kasi I'm the youngest na of 4. So,
Malayo yung gap, di ba?
10 years.
10 years.
So,
ang gap.
imagine mo, family dinner, I was in grade school or high school. Hindi yung anong PE mo or like, what did you learn in science? It was, what happened to this this problem or this branch or what happened to this delivery or yung
sa table.
tapos syempre ako, tingin lang ako, di ba? Anong ambag ko, di ba?
May kumuha po ng pencil ko. Hindi mo ma-share. Hindi mo ma-share, oo. Kasi 10 years yung gap eh.
So
Oo.
parang it was, I think, a little bit quiet on my side. Like, I just really just sat and observed. And I think a lot of the things I learned, since hindi naman ako rin nag-corporate after college, I went to family business and then I eventually also started my own thing in the same industry.
Mm-mm.
I really learned most of it from my parents and my
Yeah.
3 siblings. So, shout out.
Ang galing. So, lahat kayo na parang magkakapatid, lahat kayo pumasok sa business, no?
Yes.
Ang galing. Nakaka-happy kung business owner ka. Tapos, tinuloy ng mga anak mo yung business nyo. Imagine, pinaghirapan mo yun. Tapos, oh no, dad, I don't want that. I want to be an actor.
Get out of my house.
Yun yung biglang sasabihin sa'yo. Oh my gosh.
Very
Or
Muslim yung parents natin. So,
Oo,
syempre,
exactly. Exactly.
alis ka na ba?
Kaya mo? Kaya mo? Iba yung level. Iba yung level na parang magaganon ka. Yeah. So, speaking of that also, my inspiration definitely is, my inspiration is also sa family. Sa side ko sa family. But, yes, yung siguro mag-aim high. I don't know if you know this, pero dun sa mag-aim higher, I can say na one na nag-push me is also BPW. Meron akong sariling kinakamit na
Yeah.
but when I entered BPW, tapos nakita ko yung mga nandun, I was like, oh my gosh, parang ang baba pa pala ng ini-aim ko. I should have aimed higher and bigger. Not naman na high na gusto mong sobrang yumaman. It's something na you want
The impact.
the impact. It's more on impact na yung mga lumalaki yung business nila, it's more on impact talaga. It's not always about the profit. It's always about kung kung ano yung pinapaniwalaan mo, tapos pinupush mo yung ano na yun. It's more parang you have to be, yung scope mo should be like bigger. Like, in my business, I do modest clothing.
Yes.
Pero, I don't just do that. Parang, magbebenta po ako ng ano, ganon, ganon. Parang,
Another
yung
jacket.
another jacket,
Yeah.
another ganon, mag-hijab kayo. For me, like, I kind of pushed it into something na, as you can see, I have a lot of parang events na kayo na yung napapagod na my point is I want to show, especially that we are the minority here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Parang I want to show na parang look at us. We are modest women, but we can do also active stuff. We have a proper clothes for that, and hindi yan improper that we are parang hanggang ganon. Tapos ang pagiging modest kasi ang akala nila kailangan you have to ang modest lang sa iba, you have to parang cover your hair, yung mga ganon.
Yeah.
Yun yung parang pinaka-usual na ano nila. For me, hindi. Kasi hindi lang naman po mga Muslim yung modest. Exactly. Meron pa nga akong mga friends na non-Muslims, mas modest pa sila sa akin. Oo. Mas modest pa sila, yung ayaw nila na bumabakat, yung maano nila. So, for me, there's really a market for that. Na ipakita na you don't have to wear sleeveless para mapakita na ganito dapat sa yoga, ganito dapat sa Pilates, and makita na you have a community
Yeah.
na they have this dress. So parang yun yung parang nag-push sa akin na you have to aim higher, not just sell,
Yeah.
profit. Kasi what is money?
Paper
only. Hindi, totoo. Kasi when you start, sana mag-earn pa more, pero when you start earning for your own self. Kasi ako ngayon, I can say na, I want more, but I can definitely say na I am grateful of what I have right now. Parang I can survive naman. Oo.
Can we
Until
survive
tomorrow.
with you? Can we
I can
survive with you?
until tomorrow. And God will provide. So, yun. Yun
And
yung parang
I feel like
inspiration.
that's the impact that we keep talking about. Because like for your business, the
Mm-mm.
impact actually that you're making is not talking about stigma, pero when you think modest kasi,
Mm-mm.
tendency of other people. Me, I grew up in Manila. So
Mm-mm.
they know this. I don't have any Muslim friends.
Exactly.
That's
Guys,
why
nag-effort po
nag-meet
siya.
kami.
Nag-effort po siya na magkaroon siya ng Muslim friends. Yes. Oo.
So, yun yung na-experience ko. Like, modesty tends to be connected to, or people think that it's connected to, parang you're prohibiting yourself. Or you're like,
Oo, which is
parang you're
not.
restraining yourself. So,
Mm.
I think the fact that you sell activewear or that you're selling beautiful pieces because of your business, you're kind of disconnecting that na modesty is not necessarily limiting yourself.
Exactly.
I'm so colorful right now. Like, I
Parang po
walk in a
kami.
corporate office and might seal parka.
Oo, di ba? Totoo.
Like, hello,
Totoo.
diba?
Oo.
So,
That's true.
And that's the impact of your business. So I think
Mm-mm.
that's really important.
Ang galing.
You're doing great.
You are doing great also.
You're doing great too.
All of us are doing great. Kasi let's go back to your I don't know if naintindihan nila yung business mo. English ka kasi ng English, girl. yung
Tatawanan ako.
yung ano nila, yung business niya is you are the first prefab house.
No,
Stop
so
there. Stop right there. It's mali. Okay, take it away. Miss Ma'am.
Miss Ma'am, we prefab.
no.
Stop it there. It's not prefab.
I like that she's trying.
yeah.
It's nice that you're trying. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh.
What we do essentially is if meron kang lupa,
Mm-mm.
say sa province,
Mm-mm.
and then you don't know what to do with it. Every year you're paying taxes.
Mm-mm.
Hinihintay mo na lang na magpadala ka ng caretaker na walang biglang mag-enter na hindi naman dapat.
Mm-mm.
Andyan pa yung mga tanim mo and stuff.
Mm-mm.
So rather than waste your idle land, why not use it instead of keeping it there? Use it. Whether move into it if you don't have a home yet, use it as your primary home. Build your retirement home. Build a Airbnb, a villa, a cafe, whatever you like. But in my perspective, we try to keep things simple. So if you want to retire, for
Mm-mm.
example, you live in Manila and you really want to get out of here already.
Mm-mm.
Kasi meron ka namang lupa outside or yung kapatid mo, etc. we keep it simple for people to build their dream homes or their dream structures. How? You just go to our website, kubo.ph, cubo.ph, add to cart.
Imagine, guys,
Add to
yung
cart,
bahay
yeah.
ina-add to cart ngayon.
Yeah, you add to cart.
That's the beauty of
And,
e-commerce.
ito pa
Exactly.
importante, pwedeng bayaran installment.
Yes, without
Kubo.
interest.
Take it
Without
away.
interest. Without interest.
Yun.
So, ang ano sa kanila is, ang pinaka gusto ko sa business mo is, especially, ang dami kasing mga nawi-waste. Kapag
And nasa
nagpapatayo.
scam.
Oo.
Grabe.
Kunwari magpapatayo ka ng house, sasabihin sa'yo, matatapos na po ito in 6 months. 2 years na. Tapos pag makita mo ang daming sobra na tiles, ang daming sobra you don't know what to do with it. Okay lang siguro yung sobra na tiles kasi kailangan talaga
kailangan
natin ng
talaga.
sobra na tiles.
Sabi nga ni Miss Flora Center, dapat pag nagpagawa ka, make sure yung test mo 15% ang sobra.
Yes.
10 to 15%.
10 to 15 kasi
Kasi
yes.
in
there
the
are
future.
times na there are times na may
Oo.
mababasag, you need to replace it.
Yes.
Pero hindi
mga
naman
ganun.
mababasag.
Hindi naman yan mababasag. Kung FC yan.
Guaranteed hindi mababasag.
Tapos yun na, so ang daming, gaya ngayon, sobrang dami ng parang sumobra sa amin na, ano yung mga grabas? Grabas din bang tawag sa gravel? Oo, graba. Okay. So ang daming, hindi mo alam, anong gagawin ko sa
Yeah.
anong gagawin ko dyan? So, with your business, parang dadalhin na lang sa kanila. Simplified.
Yes.
In-add to
Housing,
cart mo
yes.
lang siya. Matibay po ba siya, ma'am?
Yes, so we have a 15-year structural warranty.
15 years.
It's actually built for 50. So,
Wow.
structural kasi syempre we designed it. We're Filipinos, so we
Mm-mm.
designed it for the Philippine climate. And honestly, if it survives here, it can survive anywhere.
Kasi
diba?
laging may flood sa atin at
Yes, we have
typhoon.
how many earthquakes in a day? Most of
Oo.
it we don't feel. And syempre, ilan yung tropical cyclone that
Mm-mm.
enter in the Philippines, diba? So, we really built it for that purpose.
Mm.
And to keep it,
Nice.
actually, tagline namin is the simple life. So, we're trying to promote, the minimalist, tiny house. You don't really need a big, giant house.
Mm-mm.
Most especially for our senior clients or mga OFW clients. When they come home to the Philippines, ayaw nila ng ilang bedroom tapos yung lahat ng anak nila matanda na or they don't live with them naman.
Di na nila
They just want
makita.
something na when they come home to the Philippines and they're gonna retire here, mayroong kitchen, mayroong banyo, happy na sila, husband and wife or kahit solo or maybe with bisita pa nga sometimes na may room. So, just keep it simple. I think that's our motto.
6 days talaga siya
For our
natatapos.
smallest.
For your smallest.
Yeah.
Ano yung pinakamatagal na
So far,
ano?
we've done 30 to 45 days.
Oh,
Na
For
bigger
a house.
For a bigger,
Imagine
for a
na.
bigger.
Meron din kayong parang 2-story house.
We have
diba?
2-story. We've also done mga offices.
Offices,
Classroom.
commercial, classroom. Oh my God,
Classrooms.
yung classroom na inano nyo.
So our
Oo.
classroom also for disaster-stricken areas. Syempre, these are parang areas that hindi mo talaga ma-reach if sabihin mo sa contractor, "Oy,
Oo.
punta ka sa
Tama,
bundok."
tama.
Saka
Mm.
hindi ka mangangamba kasi hindi substandard.
Exact, that's
Kasi
the
may
point.
mga materials, diba, na ginagawang
Oo.
substandard ng ibang contractor para
Mm-mm.
makamura sa
Exactly.
materials nila and then madagdag sa
Oo.
profit nila.
Kasi,
Add to cart.
na-ask
add
ko
to
rin
cart
sa kanyan. Kasi, ang dami kasing nagbebenta ngayon na parang container houses, diba? Kasi it looks like a container house, which is very aesthetic and all. And then, nung makita ko yung price difference, I'm like, mas natatakot ka sa sobrang mura actually.
Yes.
Mas
It's cheap
nakakata-
naman.
Especially if it's a
Oo.
home. Tapos yun nga, tinanong ko sa'yo, like, why is this so cheap?
Yeah.
Na parang 150?
Yun din
Oo.
250,000, parang ganon. So, it's,
Iba siya sa container eh.
iba siya sa container. So, dun pa lang makikita mo na, kung 250,000 yon, how much siguro yung naging capital nun?
Mura lang yun.
Mura lang
Kasi
yun,
most of the
oo.
materials being used, at least yung sa mass-produced na prefab, as we
Mm-mm.
call, yung sa galing sa China usually.
Yeah.
Um,
But China has a lot of good products.
of
Yeah,
course,
yes,
even
yes.
us,
Lahat.
even us.
Yes,
super,
oh,
we use
nandoon yung mga good products. Oo.
also- everything is there.
Everything is there.
Pero, syempre, when it comes to, there's no control kasi, lalo na itong market na to, which is an innovative solution, prefab modular, hindi siya masyadong regulated also. So, anybody can enter, make their own product, and then sell it as a house. So, pag may nakikita rin ako na mahal na ibang prefab, pero alam ko na
Iba yung
price
ano,
nga is 250, pero binebenta nila, kaya nilang ibenta 2M.
Oh my God.
1M.
Mas so hindi pa
Yun yung medyo
Oo,
ako
so hindi lang pala price yung dapat kang, hindi lang price yung dapat mong titignan. Kasi hindi porket mahal, okay din.
Yeah. Siguro they also see us. So,
Oo, that's, yeah.
sometimes when we launch a product,
Oo nga.
literally the next day or the next
Same.
May
week,
mga nakakopy
Same
na.
ano,
Exactly.
same
Ito pa,
design.
ito pa sa isang, syempre render. So, mga
Oo.
bahay, may kotse, may aso. Ito, ginaya pa yung aso and yung
Oh my
kotse.
God.
Sabi ko, halata na to
Oo.
In denial pa ako before, pero
Mm.
okay. Yan yung aso tsaka yung kotse nasa picture
Exactly. Oh, tapos pag
Pati
i-search,
pangalan.
oh my God. Di ba you've named your parang mga
Trademark.
mga
Yun.
trademark.
Very
Like
important
Sulu,
yun.
ganon. Sulu.
Sulu,
Parang ganon,
of course.
Sulu.
Syempre, Sarangani.
Oh, wala pa kayong Marawi.
Wala pa.
Wala pa, oo.
We will.
Nagdi-deliver kayo sa Marawi and then
Everywhere,
provinces, of course, kasi nagdi-deliver.
Philippines.
Because floor center is everywhere. Kaya na niya yan. True.
Yes,
Kaya
for
na niya
our
yan.
kababayans,
Isla
if
pa
you want.
yan.
Yes. Basta,
Ay, Tisla.
basta accessible ng truck. Huwag
Truck.
naman swimming. Huwag naman swimming.
Huwag naman swimming. Actually,
But
yeah. For you ba, to be a successful entrepreneur, kailangan nyo bang magpakita sa camera para maging successful yung business ninyo as what is happening right now?
For me, kung ganito ka kaganda.
Yes.
It depends. Feeling ko it depends pero ang dami ko kasing nakikita online na para mas effective daw yung product mo, dapat may face yung brand mo. Pero for me kasi, paano kung shy ako?
Yeah.
This is your first public appearance, di ba?
Yes.
Thank you.
Kaka-launch ko lang today.
May drop.
Thank you very much.
For me, it depends on the product.
Mm.
So, hindi lahat feeling ko.
Mm.
Well, hindi naman ako business, may masters in business or whatsoever.
Mm-mm.
Pero, feeling ko it depends on the product. That's
Na it depends on. Oo. So you believe and then depende. Tama. Ikaw, madam.
I feel like you have a higher chance of gaining traction or engagement with your brand if face forward ka, or not specifically the owner, pero at least someone. So, in marketing, they call it now parang yung founder marketing. So, pinapakita nila what's your journey, why did you make it, and stuff. Unfortunately, never ako nag-agree.
Akala natin pa-agree siya, di ba?
Unfortunately,
Meron palang plot twist sa oo.
parang 6
Pero
years.
that's what you're doing.
No, 6 years na ako sinasabihan
Siya forced.
na you should be in front of the camera, you should be
By
out
the way,
in public.
Forbes 30 under 30.
Oo, yeah, Forbes 30 under 30 po siya. Imagine, hindi pa yan nagpapakita ng Wait, before that,
Ang daming
tapusin mo yung
okay,
sasabihin mo
okay,
kasi may
kalimutan ko
kwento
na
ako
eh.
about sa Forbes na yan. Oh, sige, go. Oo, go. Tapusin mo
Ayun,
muna yung
so, parang-
Pwede siyang gumanon na. Hindi ko yan pwedeng gawin kasi ang pangit. Gumaganon siya, girl. Hindi ko yun pwedeng gawin. Okay, go.
Parang when I
Oo.
started out, I used to really be like on the back end, like being here in front of you guys and talking about what I do.
Thank
and
you very much
whatever.
po pala.
Like, it took a while to be comfortable, and not because I'm shy of talking to,
Yeah,
people and
definitely, yeah.
more of like, I don't want to be parang recognized yet until I've really made something like really, really big or something na, so, like a really big impact.
Yeah.
So, feel ko parang I don't deserve it yet.
Nasa
Yun.
Forbes 30 under
30.
30 na siya, tapos wala
Ayun
pa
yung
daw
kami.
siyang, yung parang wala pa
So,
daw
paano
siyang
kami?
napapatunayan. Girl, yung sa Forbes 30 under 30, hiningan pa naman siya ng picture. Tapos nagpicture lang siya, umupo lang siya.
Ano
Ikaw
ba
ni
yun?
Nika.
Ano
Ay,
ba
hindi,
yun? Ano
That's
pa yun?
your magazine nata.
O magazine, hiningan lang siya na, kailangan po namin ng picture. Umupo lang siya. Umupo lang siya
stairs.
sa
Walang
sa
makeup,
stairs ng
walang
ano
anything.
niya.
Wala.
Tapos,
Ay,
yun
pawis
na
pa
yung,
ako dito.
yun na yung pinalagay niya sa magazine.
Love it.
Dahil kung ako yun,
Baka
mag-hire
nag-hire ako ng
mag-
HMUA 5 a.m. call time. Punta kayo dito.
Honestly, totoo. Ako din.
First of all, that was for Tatler. So, hindi ko
Tat-
alam.
Tatler.
na isang page siya. Akala ko lang ganyan lang siya kaliit. Like, 2x2 picture, ready na nga ako magpadala ng 2x2.
Oh my gosh.
eh.
Kahit 2x2 girl, kukuha kami ng makeup artist at saka at saka magandang camera talaga. Nagsuklay lang siya, nagganon.
Ay, my God. Anyway, okay lang.
So, wala ka pang napapatunayan.
And lalo na before. So, and then it was actually one of my advisors who said, you're in this industry, you're really breaking the norms. Na. As a
Totoo.
woman, as a woman of minority, also like
Oo.
Muslim, Maguindanon, or
Yes.
um,
Guys,
gosh.
ang ganda niya, no? Maguindanon. And then half Iranian, Persian cat po siya. Ito yung mapapasabi ka talaga na okay ang mix.
Salamat po.
Okay ang mix, oh. Ang
Or hindi
ganda
siya
niya. Uy, girl, pag mga naka-super
Nag-a-appear sa magazine, walang makeup.
Oh. hindi ko kaya yon. Hindi ko
Kaya
kaya. I'm
yan.
confident naman with my
Kaya
and I'm not
yan.
saying na I'm pretty. But I'm confident and I'm thankful for the face that Allah gave me. Pero magme-makeup ako. Mag-effort ako,
Given
te.
a chance, mag-makeup
Oo.
ako. Mag-hair pa kayo
Tatler.
dito, ah.
Tatler, Forbes. Te.
Bala kayo.
5 a.m. call time talaga. Para lang sa
Pero
ayun.
to tip lang for so yun nga, advice ako ng one of our parang advisors.
Right,
Sabi niya, it was that time,
Mm.
sinabi niya sa akin na when he told me na this is not for you per se to gain like
Mm.
fans or whatever.
Yes.
It's just to show people that it's possible.
Yeah.
So that time I was like, baka may isang tao nakikinig or nakikita.
Oh, girl. Ako, for me, I really can say na I look up to you.
Ay.
Totoo.
Allegedly.
Kasi, yeah, you are younger than me, pero you're... you're younger than me. Tapos, the way you work, kasi 'di ba kagagaling lang namin ng Palawan, guys. Nakaganyan niya lagi.
Pero every alis namin, lagi niyang dala yung
Laptop niya. Kulang na lang nagpapamasahe,
Muntik
nagla-laptop.
niya nang gawin.
Oo. Tapos, nasa rough road kami, nababalahaw na kami. Balahaw yung kinakain ng lupa sa Tapos, yeah. Siya ba yung, ayaw niya magpasub sa driving. Ganun kalala, ha? Ayaw niya magpasub sa driving. So, you were driving for like, 8 hours.
7 hours.
7 hours. Nagda-drive
Where'd you go?
siya. San Vicente,
Princess
tapos
of
gumanon. Oo.
Mga kalalgayan talaga.
Oo. Tapos,
Nalan na kami
guys,
sa baba.
nababalahura na kami sa
Balahaw.
balahura.
Balahaw.
Kaya ka ayaw ko magtagalog eh.
Nababalahaw na kami. Sorry guys, nababalahura. Nababalahaw na kami sa Palawan. Ganun na kami. Ganun pa rin siya. Oh, yeah. Sabi ko, grabe yung
Iba
niya.
yung worst. Meron siyang camel sa Egypt. Nasa na siya sa Egypt. Meron siyang katawag sa phone about sa
Oo.
business. Imagine, camel, andyan yung pyramid.
Yeah. Maganda yung view at least, diba?
Pero di ba ngayon mo masasabi na deserve niya yung 30 under 30.
Wow.
Ngayon tayo magtataka
Title
bakit
Yun
hindi
yung standard.
Ngayon tayo magtataka
Oy,
bakit
hindi,
wala tayo sa Forbes 30
Minsan-
under 30. Ginawa ba natin yun? Never. So, kailangan natin gawin yun. As in, sabi
Hindi
ko, hala, grabe, nagsusnorkeling na kami lahat nakatayo sa doon.
Nakatayo siya habang nagsusnorkeling kami. Nakatayo siya sa boat. Yes.
Oh,
Tapos ko yung turtle.
tapos sabi niya, pagkatapos niya, nasa na yung turtle?
Wala na.
Nasa na yung pawikan? Wala na yung
Ay,
pawikan.
nako.
Tapos, parang yung discipline mo sa
Wow.
pag-work,
Thank you guys so
actually the
much.
both of you, kasi Paula din also. As in,
Oo, grabe
very
to.
siya sa mga, anong tawag doon? Sa,
Yung gusto ko sa kanya is
Mm-mm.
parang yung client talaga siya yung kausap.
oo.
Kung ako hindi ko kaya, I mean like, I love my clients. But like, it's too much for someone to handle kasi while you're handling
Mm.
other things.
Exactly,
The
oo.
way that you do it, like, as in, di ba nag-travel nga tayo, tapos
Oo.
tatawag yan na, oo, may maglalala move dyan, pipick up, labas mo yung order.
Oo,
Sabi ko,
ganon.
di ba naman yan?
Tapos yung the way siya mag-switch ng tone, like kunwari ganito sa sa customer,
Kasi
yes
for
po
the
ma'am.
record naman, ako talaga yung parang clown-clown, funny-funny sa group.
Mm,
Tapos, syempre,
Sure
mag-switch
ka ba?
bigla kapag may phone call na from the
Oo.
business, ganyan. Yes?
Ganito, totoo,
Right.
ganito siya. Like, kunwari sa niya, okay po ma'am, yes po ma'am, yeah, sige po ma'am, pa-deliver namin dyan. Ganon siya. Tapos, next call, may papa-deliver tayo ngayon. Diretso, parang yung switching. Tapos after nun,
Iba ba
balik
yung
balik na
my
naman siya sa
gosh.
amin.
Balik
Balik jolly-jolly na naman siya sa
I
amin.
was telling
Oo.
this to someone na parang, if you're an entrepreneur, you have to be able to have multiple personalities.
And I can
Oh,
see
that's
that to
nice.
her.
Oo,
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Imagine mo, like,
Totoo.
if you spend, for example, if someone sits beside me for kahit 30 minutes, you can see maybe 4 or 5 personalities.
Mm-mm.
Na someone will go in, say, ma'am, ito nangyari, o pagalitan mo, or something will happen. Ano ba yan, ganyan.
Mm.
Tapos biglang tatawagan ka ng someone, or di ba?
Mm-mm.
Hi po, yes, okay. And then,
oo,
parang
totoo.
plastic ba ako? Or, naglalaro ba yung damdamin ko? Parang it's normal Like,
Oo, totoo. That's right. Totoo.
observe ko lang siya recently. Tapos sabi ko, parang kailangan mo pala ng multiple personality.
Totoo yan. Totoo yan.
Yun yung mga
Iba-iba
lessons
yung natin.
for business.
Which is I'm really...
Favorite ko to yung parang biglang magsa-story lang sa TP page na, guys, wag muna. Wag muna kayo mag-order.
Siya na yung nagagalit. Halt the orders, please.
Oo,
Ngayon ako
ganun.
nakakita ng ganun. Pero
Siya
alam
yung
mo,
nagsasabi ng hold muna, wag muna kayong
Malakas,
mag-order.
malakas.
Oh, alhamdulillah, lang mabarik. Habang mainit pa ang plancha, mag-plancha. Oo.
gusto ko
Ito
yun.
nga yung ito ang parka na to nakabuo ng
Bago na ba yan?
Ito yung bago, yeah.
Ay, wow.
Nakapagpatayo na po ng pickleball court. Ganon. So, habang mainit pa ang plancha, mag-plancha ka.
How about steam?
Arte
Mag-steam.
mo. Alam mo ba yung kabayo? Gumagamit ba? Or nagpa-plancha?
Camel yung alam niya.
Alam nyo guys, yung first time kong pumunta sa bahay nila Zawa.
Ay,
Kasi
nako, wag ka.
hindi kasi ako nag-expect sa kanya.
Unassuming.
Parang
Geng.
Tapos nung dumating ako sa bahay nila, sabi ko, oh my God.
Bahay ba to?
Bahay ba to? Tapos sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung itutuloy ko tong friendship
Hindi kami
namin.
maligaw sa bahay niya, guys.
Totoo, hindi ko alam kung hindi ko alam kung itutuloy ko tong friendship namin or kasi parang mapapressure ka kapag I'm sorry for the word. Ayaw niya to. Parang sobrang yaman ng friend mo. Tapos parang ayaw mo na ma-pressure. Pero nung makita ko na sobrang tipid niya, like, nakikipag-anuhan pa yan siya sa akin. Oh, itong sandal ko, ano lang to? SM lang to.
500 lang.
500 lang to. So, parang laging ang niya sa amin, mas nakuha ko to ng mura. So, parang,
Ay, binabrag niya yung blower niyang hindi Dyson. Kaya parang Dyson.
so parang doon ko na na-realize, ikikip ko to.
But if in business, di ba?
Oh, you
Every
would love
peso- Every
Oo.
peso counts.
Totoo yan. Totoo yan.
Diba? Sometimes also you have to understand value. Like, ilan naman yung mga tools or equipment na binili namin sa construction site. Feel ko nakatipid ako, pero pangit pala lang.
Oo,
Diba?
totoo.
So,
Totoo.
Parang every peso counts. So, to see people who share that value also, or who are going through the same thing because you're also an entrepreneur. Parang feel ko kaya rin tayo nag-click.
Totoo. Hindi, totoo. Honestly.
Different
Oo.
industries.
Sobra.
Sobrang
Pero the
different
grind and the
industries.
hustle, yung
Yeah.
problem, personality changes,
Kaya
parang mga ganun.
The server natin, nagpalawan
Nagpalawan.
tayo last week.
Yeah.
Kaya po medyo kami.
Tagal
Siya lang ang
tan.
hindi umitim.
Uy, tan nga.
Uy,
Hindi. Sabi kanina kasi, may ka-board meeting ako kanina.
Oo.
Sabi niya, I
Like
like your tan. I was like,
Sa ano kami sunog? Sa ano kami sunog?
Tapos siya, wala. Nag-reddish lang siya. Parang nag-blush on lang siya.
Palawan.
Nakakainis.
magandang pala.
Super. I love Palawan. Bili ka ng
Balance, di ba? Balance.
Bili ka ng island.
I wish.
Bili ka ng island
Kung sino
doon.
man may island sa Palawan.
Pabili. Magkano?
Bili po kayo ng kubo para makapunta
Add to
kaming
cart.
tatlo.
Pero totoo. Totoo. Oo. Oo.
Actually, meron na kaming units.
Oo,
Pero,
na ano.
maganda
Like, yun
kung
yung
may
maganda. Sa
yun yung
ano,
maganda. Kasi ano siya,
Mm-mm.
pwede siya sa beach. Yung iba kasing housing.
hindi siya waterproof.
Binibuild nila, pero like, after a year or so,
sa maintenance.
Na ano
nag-aano
siya,
na,
totoo.
nagko-corrode na because of the
Nagko-corrode,
salt water.
yeah.
So, pag kubo, hindi.
Wala.
Siyempre, di naman kami Korean naman, no? Di naman,
You are
remarks
not
lang, we're not
perfect, but,
pero
uh,
trying to improve always.
You're not perfect, but at least you've catered the Philippine demand na lagi tayo, hopefully, alaw mabarik. Baka maano siya.
Kapag may problem, they're easy to reach.
Yeah, oo.
Saan nyo? Sa Balintawak yung ano, warehouse net.
Come visit
Samahan ko
us.
kayo.
Nandun ako, naghihintay.
Tuko ko pa sa inyo.
Oo, yeah. But I really, really want to have my own kubo. And I love the name, kubo.
Ako din.
I really,
Trademark.
oo,
Kaya
that's a
it's
trademark
important,
talaga,
diba?
oo, na magpa-trademark
Ikaw,
kayo.
naka-trademark ka? Sir Jim?
Yes, of course.
Ah,
IPO.
Philippines?
Hmm.
Ay, very nice. Ikaw,
Oo. What?
naka-trademark.
Pwede gamitin ng Surgex.
Ay, hindi ko
Tsaka
pwedeng
yung
trademark ang
ako.
tudong. Pero yung A3 Active District, our ano
Very
po,
own.
very own pickleball court. Naka-trademark naman everything. Alhamdulillah. So, amin po ang A3. Pangalan na.
Overtime.
Oy, overnight tayo. Kawawa. Ay, may kape na kayo.
Next topic.
Okay, so, okay. Overtime na. So, eto na. To parang wrap up our kwentuhan. Imagine, more than an hour na tayong
I'm so sorry.
nag-uusap. Yeah. So, to wrap up our, chikahan. See, I told you guys, we made this podcast kasi we want a real podcast na parang kwentuhan lang talaga. Kasi for the past few days, which I really like, alhamdulillah, I really like the topics about the divorce and about the autism, something like that, about politics. I really like that. But we have to parang balance it na we made this podcast na kwentuhan lang talaga. Kwentuhan lang talaga. Okay, so for the last part of our kwentuhan, I prepared some mga questions here, personal questions, scenarios. So, sasabihin niyo lang kung red flag or green flag. Oo. Madali lang naman siya as an entrepreneur. So, first is business with your best friend.
Red flag.
Gusto ko yan, pero wag na.
Red flag, kasi na-try ko na. Pero friends pa rin kami until now.
Muntik
But,
na.
dalawa lang yan. It's either mag-work yung business, tapos magkakaroon kayo ng
Parang may
lamat.
gap. Oo.
Or, hindi mag-work yung business, pero friends pa din kayo. At doon kami, sa hindi na-work yung business, pero friends pa din
Hindi,
kami.
ito yung camera mo. Sayang yung camera mo. Okay, yes. Red
Explanation?
Oo.
Me personally, actually, I've never worked with
Pero
a
I will
best
not
friend.
recommend. I will not recommend.
Yeah, I've only seen close friends get into that kind of business. So, I don't recommend. But, different case. Parents ko started the business together. So, technically, best friend
Yeah.
relationship, diba?
Okay, going to the second question. Hindi niyo pa ako pinapatapos. Business with your husband or wife, red flag or green flag?
Green flag.
Feel
Kasi
ko
doon
green.
kayo mag-grow.
Talaga. Nasa-separate niyo ba sa bed?
At first, syempre, mahirap. Mahirap siya. At first, mahirap siya. Madaming struggles talaga. Pero, okay siya.
Okay siya. Mas okay siya. Na same kayo ng problem, same kayo ng win.
Ang downside lang, nagkakasawaan kami ng mukha.
Kaya ka ba nagpa-derma?
Okay. Nagpa-der para maiba yung mukha, di ba? Oo. Sa'yo?
Feel ko green flag.
Green
Because
flag.
I see from my parents.
Ay, oo. No,
Yeah,
true.
same din sa parents ko din. Same.
Na
Work
business sila. Eto, borrowing money as your starting capital.
Borrowing kasi is not something na is practiced in our family. So, everything they've done, actually, talagang they found a way, like, by
Sabi
God's will to do it. So, I kind of kept that same thing. Even if ang daming temptation to mag-loan ka na lang.
Oo, to expand more, di ba?
Or yung project mo na yan na tinanggihan mo, mag-loan ka na lang para ma-deliver mo, di ba?
Oo.
Pero at the end of the day, my parents were like, ayaw nila magpamana ng utang. Most
Galing.
importantly. So, for me, red flag.
How about you, madam?
Nangyari kasi sa akin both. So, yung parents ko, they borrowed money. Pero yung sa husband ko naman, sa amin ng husband ko, hindi kami nagbaborrow ng money. So, parang,
both mo na experience.
nakita ko both. Pero, kung no choice talaga,
Oh.
go, mag-borrow talaga. Pero
Yeah.
kung may choice ka naman, huwag na lang.
Parang yung sa Rich Dad, Poor Dad, nabasa nyo ba yun? Parang, why use your money to grow your business? Parang, gamitin mo yung pera ng iba. Parang, pero,
Dapat matalino ka sa
Dapat
paggamit.
baka-
That's the bottom line.
baka gawin mo yan, ha? Tapos, hahabulin ka na.
Biglang may
Good luck.
bagong kotse, no?
Bigla ka may bagong kotse kasi, you borrow my,
Oo.
don't use your own money.
Which is
Mm.
aligned to your first question kanina, di ba? Yung
Yes.
parang everybody is a CEO now. Pero
Yes.
whose money are you spending? Are you
Yeah.
spending below your means or above
Exactly,
your means?
oo.
Tapos showing it off.
Kasi alam mo, kasama yan sa marketing nila. Like, kunwari, if you are selling something na parang mga luxury products, so you have to have parang luxury cars, mga ganon. Or kung nandun ka naman sa, kailangan meron kang mga resellers, you have to show na you are successful. Oo. So, kailangan pakita ang dami mong cars, ang dami mong para mas maano sila na, kung magtitinda ako ng quitting your job immediately because your business is doing well.
No.
Hmm.
For me, nag-start ako mag-corporate. Tapos sinabay ko yung business. As in, magkasabay. So, while, parang after ng 8 to 5 ko, nag-work ako, papahinga na ako sa bahay, then magbabalot na ako ng orders ng 6 to 9. Hustling that.
Oh.
So, parang sinabay ko yun for almost a year. Then, I got exhausted sa work kasi nakita ko same na yung kinikita ko sa business, pati dun sa corporate ko. So, dun ako nag-quit. So, wag kayo mag-start agad without any backup.
Totoo.
Wag kayo mag-quit agad without any backup.
Not because nag-ano na siya.
Yeah, basta.
Nagre-rise na siya. How about you, madam?
Wala naman akong experience like to be fair with like third party corporate, pero at least in our own business setting, di ako pinayagan. So, yun. I mean, it's okay. I think you just have to have the determination to be able to balance. So a lot of people will always ask, how do you do it? How do you split your time? How do you honestly, is it 50-50? Is it 20-80? For me, it's 100%, 100%. And then whatever's left, you can spend with your friends in Palawan.
At mag-podcast.
At mag-podcast on
Yes.
a,
True.
So, yun. Hindi balance. Pero for me, important, just do what you can.
Tama. Eto, hiring friends.
Ooh.
Is it a green flag or a red flag?
Well, yung sister ko, considered ba yun?
That's family.
Oh, friends. I have
Friends.
experience though, pero feeling ko red flag na lang.
Red flag.
For me, I've seen some, kasi startup world, so I've seen some friends in the startup, parang in their startup, hire friends because sometimes they'll offer equity. Kasi syempre, hindi naman nila mamamatch yung sweldo ng corporate level ng friend nila. So what they do is they'll offer equity because they know that they cannot scale the same way if wala yung friend na yun. So for me, actually, green flag siya.
Green flag siya sa'yo. Akin red flag. Kasi hindi ko kayang
Separate.
medyo may pagka masakit ako minsan magsalita. Oo, medyo parang masyado akong honest minsan when I don't like the work. So, ayokong na-hurt yung friend ko when it's my
It's
friend.
very natural.
Yeah. 'Di ba? Oo. Eto, guilty ako dito, which is very bad. Mixing your personal money with your business money.
Guilty.
Guilty ako dyan. Super.
Not in a bad way, but in a let's survive kind of way.
Yeah.
Oo, guilty. Dapat nakahiwalay siya. Kasi yung money ng business mo, dun lang yun dapat. Kasi dun dapat siya mag-grow. Hindi sa person, hindi sa wallet mo.
hindi sa ano mo, hindi sa
personal
bags,
expenses mo,
new bags mo at
Pero may
kaka-travel.
mga times kasi na nagamit ko din. So,
Totoo.
a lesson learned for me.
Yeah, I'm still on the road of separating. Ikaw?
I know naman how to separate, like I don't spend naman ng company expenses. It's more of there are some times, lalo na in our industry,
Mm.
na talagang maglalabas ka talaga. Lalo na pag hindi nagbabayad ang mga clients mo, naligtad yung kanya.
Balik tayo sa kanya.
isang
Sa
year
mga
na
ginagamit namin pang personal expenses, sa kanya ginagamit niya pang business niya, yung
Oo.
personal.
Baliktad.
Oo.
Ganun pala. So, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay, eto. I don't know if this is applicable to you, but opening a physical store immediately.
No, you have to think of it.
Especially sa e-commerce ngayon.
I feel like ang dami ng channel ngayon. You don't really need the physical store.
Meron kasi parang connotation ngayon. Anong business mo? I do online business. Online
But it depends
business.
on the product.
Yeah, I know. Diba? Parang,
Hello, kami nga nag-start magbenta ng bahay sa COVID.
exactly.
First 2 years namin, never kami naka face-to-face sa client. Pero, naka-deliver kami ng bahay. Sold
diba?
out 2 years.
Oh.
So, parang, case
Add to
case.
cart. E-commerce yung bahay. Guys, bahay yun
Pero
bahay.
Ngayon, pero ngayon, different case na asan kayo, bakit, hindi ako magbabayad kahit piso na hindi kami makakapunta sa showroom ninyo or makakausap face-to-face. So, case to case on the time and siguro the product that you're selling.
Siguro if you want to expand, physical store is still one of the parang successful or parang okay na nag-generate ng funding and trust, profit, lahat ganon, traffic. Pero
That's what
not
you think,
immediately.
Kasi like for us, we also have retail stores. So FC, for
true.
example, has
True,
100
yes.
for branches and plus.
Mm-mm.
So, it's not necessarily na, yes, you need to be where people are. Pero, just be careful na when you scale, you're scaling your sales, pero you're still controlling your cost. So,
Yeah, that's
physical
right.
store, maybe one is good. And then later on,
Actually, we have physical stores, pero kinonvert na lang namin sa warehouse.
na.
Kasi,
You don't
hindi
see
namang walk-in masyado eh.
halos lahat e-commerce na.
E-commerce, lahat talaga. Sa amin
Oo. Totoo.
kasi
Sa akin
commodity
din.
kayo eh.
Yeah, tsaka
Commodity.
parang more on warehouse and showroom
Oo.
na lang kami.
Ganon.
Iba ang
Showroom.
commodity sa, let's say, you're selling something.
Yeah, it depends on the product.
It depends.
Especially yung tiles, no?
Let's say, may nagbebenta ng tissue. Kailangan mo ba pumunta ng,
Totoo. That's right.
parang to compare tissue 1 and tissue 2.
Then.
Diba? You just say, I need tissue. I'll just go to wherever's available.
Okay. Last question. Going business with someone because they have money. Like, partner ka dyan. Kasi may pera siya. So,
It depends. Mag-ingat pa din. Kasi may mga...
yan, kunwari kayo. Okay, ayan. Gawin nating number 1. Although number 1 na kayo ngayon. Pero, gawin nating number 1 yung yung biglang may magbubuhos sa inyo ng pera.
No.
Scary,
Parang
di ba?
yung mga too good to be true, mag-isip kayo.
Open-minded ka ba?
Open-minded
Kasi
ka
sige,
ba?
papahiramin ka ng pera para malaki pala interest. Big deal.
Yes.
Ay, oo. That's true.
Tsaka, hindi lang yung malaki yung interest. Paano kung masyado kanya na yung parang kinokontrol, parang
Hawak ka niya sa leg.
hawak kanya sa leeg.
May mga successful naman
Meron
na
naman,
business
yeah.
partnerships.
You're right.
I feel like it's the right person, the right
Yeah,
partnership.
be careful.
Oh, be careful.
Ito kasi marami siyang kilala na maraming pera. Kailangan natin i-expand pa more yung So, kailangan pa namin ng more meetings with BPW.
Guys, September
Join
12.
BPW.
Guys, ang BPW po is Business and Professional Women. So, if you are into, actually, hindi lang kung business hindi lang, kasi kasama professionals, di ba? So, if you want to expand your network, join BPW.
It's usually for a cause.
Yeah, it's usually it's for a cause. At for me, it's like fundraisers. Tsaka mo talaga yung sa mo. Parang mas,
Network.
it's more network talaga.
Kaya on
Iba.
September 12,
September
we
12 po,
have
magkakaroon kami ng
fundraising event
Yes.
wherein women can, so the title is She Builds,
Oh.
where
Mhm.
you can build on yourself, on your character, the knowledge that you know about your business, so it's just a 3-hour networking/panel event, and everyone is invited. So it's for a cause. Syempre, we will sell tickets. So
Yes.
subscribe.
Hindi, mag-aano po kami dito yung BPW. Pero
Wow.
for us, if you are, kahit hindi ka taga Metro Manila, di ba?
No, there are a lot of chapters. So
May chapter ba sa Mindanao?
merong Tawi-Tawi.
Ay! Wow!
syempre.
Merong Marawi. Huwag kayong mag-alala.
Oh, yes.
Ginagawa.
Diba? Ayan,
Marawi
ayan.
pero ang head po si Zawa. Kinuha sa mga Maguindanao. Na-misplace. Oo, ganon. So,
Adapt niyo po ako.
maraming mag-a-adapt sa'yo, girl. Pa-adapt tayo pa. Pero kami ang magpapa-adapt sa'yo. Ayun. So, yeah, it's more than an hour na.
Oh my God.
So, let's wrap this up. I just want to say thank you very much. Sinabi ko lang po ito sa kanila kahapon. Kasi magkakaroon kami ng but I've been meaning to nasabi ko na sa kanila before that I want them to be a guest in the podcast.
Yeah.
Meron kaming ngayon dapat ni Hakim but he has to cancel kasi he's really not feeling well. Ya Allah. Para sana po maging okay na si Hakim. Nang dahil to sa sobrang ulan nowadays,
Yeah.
no? Ito ang
Everyone's
ubo ko 2 months na. Pero na po ako at lahat-lahat. But yes, kahapon ko lang to sinabi sa kanila and then, eto galing pa to ABS-CBN. Ito ang dami-dami pa niyang ginagawa. Tapos sobra yung traffic ngayon. But I'm really grateful to have you guys. And
you.
thank you for saying yes for the
May choice. De, joke lang.
Ito
Ito kasi friendship na to, gamitan kami dito.
Ganun. Gamitan kami. Guys, choose your friends. Yung magagamit yung
Yung may podcast.
yung
So, lahat
magagamit
na ng friends na na-meet ko, ito pa yung may podcast.
Seryoso
Dito pa
ba?
tayo
Bago
dito
lang.
pa tayo na.
Dito pa kayo napunta.
Joke
Pero
lang.
totoo guys, kasi if titignan nyo yung mga personal account nila, lahat to guys as in private. So,
Pero natupad yung fantasy ko na nasa podcast ako ngayon.
girl, may talent ka. Oo, may talent ka. May talent ba siya?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
yung
Wow.
may talent daw.
Dahil dyan, mag-pizza kayo.
Gusto nyo ba ng tiles?
Mga One Piece.
Bibigay tayo ng
Oh my
tiles.
gosh.
Oo.
But you know what? Ang galing ng kwentong lahat na lang. Kasi
Yeah.
you guys are giving also an avenue for different people, different
Mm-mm.
perspectives. Especially dito tayo sa CBD Central, Ortigas.
No, diba?
Tapos
Hindi ko rin
merong
to in-expect.
hijabi host. Tapos
Wow.
talking about
Mm.
different things from divorce.
Diba? Parang
divorce to business. Ang
sobrang
galing.
bagay yung name sa podcast. Kwentong lahat na lang.
Sakto siya for you guys. And I think you're shedding a light that a lot of people tend to avoid. So I think, yeah, good job. Thanks for
you.
having us.
Thank you po.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you for having
Kami sa next
Ay,
episode.
mag-cheers tayo. Cheers tayo.
Best in marketing talaga siya. No, yun o. Ayan. Cheers.
Thank you.
Coopers, baka naman.
Kapag ganun. Ay, charot.
Gusto nyo sa Coopers. Oh, Coopers,
Wow.
baka naman. And then, Coopers is, parang minamarket nila yung ube.
So, yeah.
Ube latte,
Pero
which is,
wala na kasi nung kanina nag-order tayo sa Grab, wala na.
ay, walang ube la. Anong bayan?
Scarcity, like matcha.
Pero
Baka
totoo, may scarcity na ngayon
Ay,
sa ube
ube.
latte. Kailangan ng
Kasi
mag-help
overload
ng,
na siya sa resource.
sa US, grabe. So, ayun guys, I'm very satisfied and happy for this, episode. I hope you liked our episode today. It's something not really the same with our usual podcast, but as what I've told you, I want this podcast na mas maging podcast pa siya. It's something na hindi siya interview or something na usapan lang. So, sana po next week nandito na si Hakim. Kasi na-miss ko na rin po yung partner ko, but
Available naman daw siya.
parang hindi kita. Hakim, sorry, parang hindi kita masyadong na-miss today. De, joke lang. I love you, Hakim. I love you, Aricolay. Okay, so, isa na naman pong episode ang natapos natin ngayon. At thank you very, very much. See you next week or next week. Ito po ang Kwentong Lahat na Lang.